starring Matthew Monrreal.
Okay, first that we have is Luke Skywalker, and he can cut stuff. You see that his sword broke off, so I could get in here because there's a little hole right here, you see? And this is his food, and this one is the one that I made up.
Did you make all these?
And something that you made.
Oh.
I mean, like this one and this
Okay,
one.
well, show them to the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, hold them a little slower, buddy, so I can see them.
Okay.
Hold them out here where I can see them.
First that we have is Luke Skywalker.
And what does Luke Skywalker do?
He cuts stuff with his laser thing that you see that he has. There we go.
Okay, show me another one.
Okay, this one that we have is Princess Leia.
Can you hold it closer to the camera?
First that we have is Princess Leia, and she can really do power. And she could pull stuff to her. And now that we have is Jabba the Hutt Pig. And I think he doesn't do nothing.
I don't know.
I think the pigs don't do nothing except shoot and some.
But I think this is a really good one that you just made.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
And this one is that I made up. He can do a lot of things.
There's the beak.
He's the mighty rooster that I made up. And first that we have
How about, can you show me the Chewbacca one?
and then we have Chewbacca bird. And he can push a lot of stuff out of his way. And a lot of stuff. And Space Angry Bird, he can only break it says that he can only break one, but he can break a lot of stuff in the space one. We'll be doing that one that Saturday.
Oh, we are.
So next that we have Darth Vader. Okay, that's
There's you need to hold one of them for you.
okay, that both of them fight each other. I didn't know where to put his laser, so I didn't put a laser on him.
Okay, well, you want to look over here into the camera and...
Oh, wait.
Oh, we got
get
one
to
more?
do This one.
Okay.
This one that
Or this one.
we
Or this one. Okay.
and this one you can do a lot of stuff that
I like
we,
this one a lot.
Can I see it? Hold it close to the camera.
See,
And he made that one all by himself.
Let me see it, Matthew. Hold it closer.
I made this one up
What is that? What does he have for a cap?
because that's his hat.
Can I see it? Can you hold it real close over here?
And he
It's a
can
bottle
do a
cap.
lot of stuff.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay. All right.
Oh, and he just made this one too.
This one is Stormtrooper Pig.
Can I see it closer?
This is Stormtrooper Pig that I made.
Can you hold it still and hold it closer?
This is Stormtrooper Pig that I made.
Oh, okay.
And this one. This one is what my daddy and me made. You see that I covered it up. Oh, I covered the green Play-Doh up, so
What is it?
it's the Angry Birds spaceship. Monrreal. Whoa! Hold on a second. Here we go. If you want to my videos, click here or click there. If you want to watch this one again, click here. And okay, this one is really cool. He has a helmet and his ears are sticking out.
Can I see it a little closer, please?
And he's a pig. Okay, that's this one is the leader of all. Darth Vader is the leader of all the pigs.
Okay. Hey, buddy.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna have to sign out of this video so we can save some for the next one.
So what do you want to tell everybody?
Thanks for watching. Bye.
You gotta look up here. Okay.